Back here at Exclusive, you can see our wonderful client with the weave. If you can come closer. You can see what we did with the wonderful color. We didn't want it too loud. We didn't want it fake looking. We toned it down with a light brown, medium browns, and beautiful number 30 with the number 1B to match your own color. You can see the colors throughout the hair. You can see the style in the front, how it lays nice. And then you can see the wonderful front with the bang. How pretty that is. On the other side. There's nothing you can't do when it's done right. You see there's no lumps, there's no bumps in her hair. Very flat. You can get between her hair and take care of her scalp. There's no bumps on the back. There's no lumps. The hair is evenly distributed with the braiding and sewn down. This particular style can last her 6 to 8 weeks. Again, we like to see our clients every 2 weeks to wash and cleanse the scalp, take care of the hair. Nice cut. Nice layers. Thank you for calling Exclusive. Thanks for coming by.